Hey everybody, Alicia here with the monthly channel vortex of energies that want to come through for September. I'm just inspired to videotape it in the dark right now because the energies are just really heartful. I'm just in the right space for me to do this. So let me take a moment while I call in the energies, the beings that want to share light, love, and bring in guidance, wisdom, love, healing, activations at this time for September. The greatest good of all who's watching. Ayam ma nayati wapmana ayakiapo mahayana ayaniakayato yamana nalai yamana niamana iakata yananiana ayayomono iana ro yamanianianiayo Yama yotutia danyana niyako manayana yakataya ayako yatatala yamano yana yani yakatadia ayamana yaka yata yo lari mana yakitatayana yako mana yakata. Thank you so much for letting us come through at this time. For the beauty that is arising within humans is so pure, and it is rising more and more each day. Allow the blessing that is you to come through. Allow it to shine in a way that is you. Allow yourself to be seen and heard, for it is you, my dear ones, that is comprehend beyond the word. Be well. Yakapata, Nala Poto, Mana, Yobati, Tatala, Yana, Tamonolali, Tatiamana, Tikata, Yatatola, Mena, Yakatiana, Yamana, Yotia, Yakoti, Nanamo, Nanana, Yotota, Kariamana, Yotatia, Ayomana, Lari Kotoya Batia, Nania Kata, Maiti Kotoa, Lali Koti. Aha, Yamano, Yata, Yakata, Yala, Liho, Yakata, Yamana, Yamana, Kota, Yakata, Yatia, Haha, Yamanoko, Yamana, Yakata, Aho. Ama, na, Yataka, Ko, Yakatati, Yakatatia, Kotaka. Yakatia kataka, yakataka yakata, yakata kiata, tiaka ti, katia kata haya takata haya kata kiata, yakatia kakikotia kakakia katia kata, yakata yakata yatia kata haya kata, yakatatia kata katia kata katia kata yakata yakatia. Yama, Yoma, Ya Yakata, Yakamina, Siamano, Yakata, Maniakata, Yakata, Yamana, Yakoto. Oh, Tiakata. Heka monola liana ya patio koyata yalati mono ya kataya moha na lakati ya mahya na ya kota ya talaria kato ya manaya koto ya taaya kia manaya si ayaki ya ta ya la poto ya mana ya koto ya katai ya katala ya mana ya pati kataya koma Yaka ya poto ay kata. Yang ali yo kiti ete yada yamana yakoto aha yamana yakoto yeti anaha yakoto humana yakata. Oh. Taking a minute to come back and my body. There we go. That was a beautiful. 1 second, I just need to come back a little more. Whew, yeah, that was amazing for me. That there was channels that came through that never have come through before. One of them that stood out for me was actually the wisdom of the whisper of the ancient trees. I don't remember quite connect with the other energies some of the other energies at the time, this time, but I can remember remembering the essence and the remembrance for me of that. So yeah, happy September. Hope whenever you find this, may this bring you much love, light, activation, compassion. If you're going through that transformational darkness page, bringing that to light. So just wherever you are, much love.